Hi, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be talking about art. So first, look at these paintings. Which ones do you like? Which ones do you dislike? Now, what does a painting need to be considered art? And why do you think so? Please think about this before class so we can share. Now, look at these two pictures. What do you think is the story behind these two paintings? Please write down a couple of theories so we can share during our class. Now, let's read the sentences. Which of the paintings am I describing here? She looks like a widow. She looks a bit nostalgic. She looks as if she has suffocated feelings. That's right, we're describing the bigger picture, where she's wearing mostly black. Okay, great, let's continue. Now, what is the difference between the sentences? Do they have similar meanings or does the meaning of the word look change in each sentence? Why? You can pause the video if you need to. So, if you notice, we are always using the verb look, however, the meaning changes in each of the sentences. Let's take a look at this. First of all, read the sentences and match the correct structures here. For example, she appears to be in pain. Is this look, seem plus adjective? Look like plus noun? Look, seem as if or though in a verb phrase? Or seem appear to be? That's right, it's going to be the last one. Seem or appear plus to be. Now pause the video and work on the rest. Okay, great. Let's go ahead and check. She looks beautiful is using look or seem plus an adjective. She seems as if she hasn't slept much lately. We're using the structure look or seem plus as if or though in a verb phrase. And she looks like a princess is look like plus a noun. So here we have the verb appear, to be. After that, we can use an adjective or a noun phrase, in this case in pain. We have look in an adjective, beautiful. Seems in this case, as if, or it could be as though. And then a verb phrase, she hasn't slept, so there we have the verb. And the last one we have look like and the noun, a princess. How do we use this? Let's check. Now let's match the structures in sentences to their uses over here. One of them is going to mean looks similar to something else. Another one refers to what you see. Another describes your understanding of a situation, followed by an adjective or a noun phrase. And one describes what something seems like. Now pause the video and try to match this. Okay, it's time to check. So, we use the structure seem or appear plus to be to describe what you understand of a situation. Remember that after the phrase to be, we are going to follow with an adjective. For example, she appears to be happy or sad, or a noun phrase, in this case, in pain. Now, the next one, she looks beautiful. We are referring to what we see. We are not trying to elaborate more. It's just, oh, it looks beautiful, right? Then we use the structure look or seem plus as if or though in a verb phrase to describe what something seems like. Here we are trying to interpret what we see. Okay, so it's similar to the one in the beginning. She appears to be in pain. It's just a different structure, but in both we are interpreting what we see. And the last one, we use look like a noun when we want to talk about something that looks similar to another thing. We are comparing. So here we have them next to each other. Okay, let's continue. Let's go to our workbook page 36, please. Exercise number 4. Here we're going to complete the sentences with as if or as though, like or a dash if we don't need a word. We already have letter A. It looks terribly complicated. We have an adjective, we don't need it to interpret anything here. Nothing. It looks a machine for peeling potatoes. What do you think we're going to be using here? As E for as though, like, or a dash? We're going to be using like. It looks like a machine for peeling potatoes. Why? Because it looks similar to that. Now pause the video and work on the rest. Okay guys, we're going to check this during our class. Now look at the paintings again. How would you describe them? Please choose at least 3 and write a couple of sentences using the structures that we saw today. Pause the video please. Okay guys, make sure to have this ready for class, okay? Now, I want you to look for 3 of your favorite paintings. Remember to have them ready in your cell phone or your computer so that you can show them in class. Okay guys, I will see you then. Bye bye!